na sila guys. Talaga lumabas ako ha. Ayan, alam mo yung cute nila. Opening nila. Dito yan sa Barangay San Manuel, San Jose, Bulacan. Ayan. Dito kasi ang location ko. So, ayan. Diyan sa may ano lang. Ayan. Ito na po location ko guys. Ayan. Diamond Crest Village. Ayan. So, bye for now. Thank you for always watching my video. And please don't forget to click na yung notification and likes also and comments. Thank you so much guys. God bless.